Well, for many years now, people have relied on cryotherapy for pain management. Cryotherapy is the supercooling of the body for therapeutic purposes.
It's been used to relieve muscle pain, sprains, even swelling after surgery. It's most commonly used to accelerate recovery with athletes. But in the past few years, a Valley Cryotech company has started to use it to treat animals as well.
Fox 10's Anita Roman has a story.
Sport Cryo opened its doors in the Phoenix area 7 years ago. Owner and trained and certified cryotech Kimberly Klein has treated everything from chronic pain to isolated injuries.
Exhale, drop those shoulders nice and low. Good job, good job. Just calm that core. We basically pull the inflammation out of the affected area, whether it's a chronic injury or an acute injury. It relieves the congestion, puts fresh, healthy, oxygenated blood to that area and accelerates recovery.
You got this.
Klein's patients range in age and ability.
Riley's mom and dad, come on back.
And as of late, breed and species.
One of my clients years ago said, man, my dog is just injured her shoulder. I don't know what to do. They're giving me drugs. She's drugged out. She's not eating. And what about cryotherapy for animals? And I was kind of shooting in the dark at that point. And I didn't know. I hadn't worked on animals, and it worked unbelievably well.
Klein says animals suffer from aches, arthritis, soreness, and injuries.
Good boy.
Just like people do.
Are you a good boy? Yes, you are.
Just like Riley.
He is 5. He had both his back legs were in terrible condition. He couldn't walk on there because the kneecaps were kind of not in the right place. They're almost like behind his legs instead. And so he got a surgery on both legs.
Hello. Come on in.
She's here because at about 6 months she jumped off the couch, kind of injured her right shoulder.
So I'm basically just hitting this rotational area and the soft tissue around it.
Pandora is a 1-year-old Doberman pinscher.
When she favors her right shoulder, she will pull her leg up and doesn't want to walk.
I know. How you feeling, baby? You're such a good dog. You are. You're so good.
Teddy Roosevelt is a senior pup. All of these dogs are now regular clients at Sport Cryo.
Why would you drug your dog? And it's just, it's not going to cure it. He's inflamed, let's take care of the inflammation. And that's really all the problem is. It's just inflammation.
Getting the shoulder and the elbow nice and chilly here.
Klein says treatment times and intensities vary.
There's obviously a little teeny tiny chihuahua is going to be tiny little area, and there's not a lot of fur that I'm going through. 4-ish minutes. If I'm working on a 120-pound Alaska Malamute, obviously there's a lot that I'm going through. That can be upwards of 11 to 15 minutes, depending on the area. Horses can be even longer than that because I've got a lot of dense muscle mass and a thick hide that I'm going through. All right, this is nice and quiet here. All right, buddy, we ready to do some icing up here?
Gus is an 11-year-old quarter horse.
Gus kind of has some bouts of chronic pain with his SI area. He probably has some onsets of arthritis just from being a used and performing animal a big part of his life. And so usually if you can draw the inflammation out of there, it makes their job just easy.
While most human clients are treated in the cryo chamber, Klein uses a specialized tool for localized treatment on people, and that is what she says works best on the animals.
Anything post-surgical, we've got internal and external sutures, we've got, zippers or brackets. We can't have any moisture applied to them. Being that this is completely dry, we get the job done of accelerating recovery while protecting that area of injury. Something like that, we want to see them every day. The more we can do it, the better. You could do this 2 times a day if you wanted to accelerate recovery, once in the morning, once in the afternoon. It just depends on how aggressive we want to be with that recovery.
Results differ, but these images of a full CCL repair taken 24 hours apart after 2 treatments show how cryotherapy can work.
No redness, no bruising.
You can spend $5,000 on a surgery to fix an issue that you may never have to fix if you catch that issue early enough and fix it. It's all catching the issues sooner than later.
He went from not being able to move, he would plop his butt down and couldn't walk or anything. And after the first treatment, he was walking and almost wanting to run.
As of about 3 years ago, I was at 10% animals. Within the last 6 months, 25 to 30% animals.
According to Klein, it's becoming more obvious how much people love their pets, and as they seek alternative treatments for themselves, they're doing the same for the animals that mean so much.
No, you're so happy. I know you're feeling better, huh?
Anita Roman, Fox 10 News.
Again, one treatment costs around $35, but Klein suggests consulting with your veterinarian to make sure cryo is the best for your animal. We have all the info on our website, fox10phoenix.com.